Greetings to everyone. I'm Adrian Teoita from Group 11. This is our project, which is to create a sandwich assembly production line. And the name of the game is Sandwich Simulator. So this is the first patch, the first scene the player will see when they enter the game. So let's click the button here. Let's play. So in this login page, the player can enter their existing user alias, or else they can also create a new account by registering here. So we can click here and we can enter the name as we wish. So we can click register here and it will show the successfully register. So now we can click back to the login page and we enter the name we have just newly registered. So we will show the loading display here. So, in the case where the players enter the wrong username, it will show a red background display to indicate the player has which indicate that username is not exist in the database. So, now in this case, we have successfully go to the page here. We have successfully logged in. So now we will go to the leaderboard here, and this will show all the players in this in the ranking. Now we can create the room. Okay, enter any room number we wish to. So for this case, I will enter room number 123. So now let's start the game. So this game is rather straightforward. Which the task is shown at the top left corner there. So the first task the player needs to do is to slice the bread. And then the second step is that the player need to assemble the ingredients. And the third task is that the player need to press the sticker on the paper bag. While the last step is to put the sandwich in the paper bag. So now, as you can see here, this scene is a very simple kitchen scene with like the shelf, the fridge, the oven, table, and everything else. And also, as you can see in at the top right corner, there's a timer which is not start counting yet. So the player need to press X to start the timer. So for now, I will try to press X. As you can see, it will start counting the time. So this time taken will record how much time taken for the player to complete all the tasks. So the moment the player put the sandwich in the paper bag, it will stop counting. So let's start now. I will grab the knife by pressing E, and I can use the mouse scroll wheel to adjust the position of the knife. So now if I press left click, it will slice the bread like this. Alright, so let's move aside. I drop the knife by pressing E once again, and then we grab one of the bread here and try to assembly it. So this is a chicken slice, where it is one of the ingredients for to put on the bread slice. So if I press E here, and also I can move the position as well by using the mouse scroll wheel. So now when my green dot at the center pointing to the bread slice, and I press E once again, it will stick on the bread slice here. So I will do the same with the cheese slice. Press E and then press E once again to put on the bread slice, and then we grab the bread slices to cover it to complete the process. Right. So here's the sandwich we have made. Now this is the sticker. The sticker can only put on the white border here. So if you put outside the border, it will not stick on that. So like this, for example. Right. So next we will put our sandwich. We also can control the position, and then we put inside here. So now, as you can see, at the top right corner there, the timer stop. So the moment the player put inside the paper box, and the paper bag, sorry, the paper bag, and then the timer will stop, and it will calculate the time taken and record in the database. So this is all uh for the gameplay video. Thank you. So here is the tenant database. All the player created and the data updated will be shown here. So for now, let's click at the sandwich simulator report here, and we can click on the leaderboard, the sandwich leaderboard. So as you can see, for example, just now the demonstration that we have created this player, and we also completed the completed the task, and then the time taken will be shown here. So we take around 2 minutes, which will be shown in seconds, which is 119. Right, so next we can move into more details by clicking view all players here. So we can look at the player we have created just now, this player, and I'll click view. So as you can see here, you will add the score to this player. So now the player with has the score of 119. Now I explain a bit about the script that we have used in this game. So from the first one is the character, which is the chef here. So it has the player movement to allow the players to move. We can control the speed here, the gravity, how high the character can jump. Also, we need to check on the ground. And next is the script of the player pick up drop. So for this script it allows the chef to either pick up the object or drop the object. So next I'll move to the workstation here. This is the knife, and for this knife we have implemented the lightsaber script, which we acquire from the online source. So this script allowed the knife to cut the object and make the one object split into two new gap objects. And also, all the objects that can be grabbed are equipped with the script of object grabbable. So this allow the objects to be grabbed. So for example, the knife here, the white bread here, and also the bread slice, chicken slice here. All of them have object grabbable. So next for the workstation 2 here, uh, as you can see here, the bread slice has the tag of bread surface and the layer of bread surface. So for this bread, it allows the other tag with the name ingredients and the layer of ingredient surface to be stick on the top of the bread slice. So now let's move to workstation 3 here. So this square box indicates the paper bag, and it also has the surface here. There's a surface here and also the white border. So the surface here allow it has a type of attachable surface and layer of back surface. This allow the sticker to be stick on this surface only. So the sticker cannot be stick on other surface of the paper bag. So here's the collider detection, which has the spray of bag entry. So when the sandwich touch the bottom of the paper bag, so the timer that calculate the time taken for the player to complete the task will stop. So that's all for the script that we've implemented for this game.